Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through our nifty product return rate calculator. We'll explore essential aspects of calculating your product return rate, whether you're a small online jewelry owner or a part of large e-commerce company. Product return rate calculator is a very important KPI, particularly for sectors that can gain significant insights from monitoring their return rates, particularly e-commerce retailers, apparel, fashion, consumer electronics, home and goods and furniture, and basically online businesses who face higher return rates due to factors like sizing issues or product misrepresentations. So calculating your return rate can be an effective way to get started on your marketing strategy. So as you look at this interface, it's a very easy to use interface. Here you need to input two variables, which is product returns and product shipped. So two key inputs. So product returns is the total number of products that customers have returned over a specific period. It could be due to multiple reasons. Returns can happen for reasons including product defects, wrong sizing, or simply buyer's remorse. Now let's look up with an example. Imagine you shipped 1,000 products in the last month. So product shipped refers to total quantity of products shipped in customer in the same time frame. So last month, let's take up 1,000 products shipped, and during that same period you received 150 product returns. Simply hit calculate and you get your product return rate. This means for every 100 products shipped, 15 product were returned. So it's not just a standalone metric, it influences several key performance indicators and can significantly affect your bottom line. Higher return rates, as we know, can lead to increased cost associated with restocking and processing returns. Ultimately, it can impact your profitability and slow down your inventory turnover. So it's important for you to identify pattern in returns. Companies, particularly online businesses, can improve their supply chain process and reduce operational inefficiencies. So do check out this calculator from the link in the description, and you can check out other marketed related and e-commerce related calculators simply by visiting upgrow.in. You can, from resources, access our calculators repository. Here you see we have multiple PPC, SEO, marketing related calculators. And if you're particularly interested in e-commerce calculator, you can simply look up for e-commerce calculator. You can also gauge your e-commerce ROI. I'll be adding the link to the description for this calculator. We have a dedicated video for this, and you can explore more such calculators. So, if you're looking for a growth partner, book a consultation with our growth marketing specialist. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tools to help you optimize your online presence. Thanks for tuning in.